First go to the file and choose open. Select this first image, click open. Now take the rectangular marquee tool and select the broken part like this. Take the clone stamp tool, open window and choose clone source. Here activate the flip horizontal option, hold the alt button and select the area like this. Now fix the image using the clone stamp tool in this way. Open select and choose deselect. Let's see the final result.